Again, Monday, a severe weather day. Another round possible this afternoon and evening. Watching for rapid development after 3 p.m., especially near and southeast of the Omaha metro. And with some of these bigger storms, very large hail, strong tornadoes possibility, along with damaging wind gusts and some very heavy rain that could cause some flash flooding. So have to be very weather aware as we go through the afternoon and evening, have the reliable ways to receive alerts. Storm Prediction Center has what is a rare moderate risk here in our area. Beatrice, Auburn, Tecumseh Falls City, toward the Rockport area up near Nebraska City. This is the zone with the highest likelihood to see a severe weather outbreak here ahead of a cold front as we head through this afternoon. But that front's going to be draped right near the Omaha metro. So really, if you're along in southeast of the I-80 corridor, that's where we have the best odds to see that rapid development of storms. So here's Storm Predictor this morning. Lingering early showers and storms to our southeast move out. Clouds really stick around. We'll see some scattered light rain showers possible through the middle of the day, and that front going to try and move back west, but really hang around the metro area. Then here we go, 3 o'clock, starting to see signs of development. And look what happens by 4 or 5 o'clock. Just explosive development there. Plattsmouth, Nebraska City, near Tecumseh, but it's right there near the Omaha metro. So really where that front lines up middle afternoon, if you're ahead of it, could see some very potent, strong, possibly destructive thunderstorms, and then moving southeast with time through the evening. So the best window here in Omaha, if we do see it, would likely be between 3 and 7 p.m. and then extending a little bit later into the evening. Folks in southwest Iowa, northwest Missouri, you can see by 9 o'clock, more of a line pushing toward the I-35 corridor, and then by midnight, most of the activity is done. So again, later afternoon and evening, what we're looking at. Right now, here's what's left over from the line that moved through our area yesterday evening, now moving through Kansas City toward Columbia, Missouri. Still some lingering showers, some pockets of heavier rain down toward Maryville, Falls City this morning. Drying out for now here in Omaha. You can see temperatures 50s and 60s. We got more of a north breeze blowing right now on the backside of the frontal boundary, and that's bringing in some of that cooler, drier air. 40-degree dew points in Norfolk, Columbus, still in the 60s just southeast of the metro. So as that front moves through, that's what we're watching for. Ahead of that front, that's going to have the moisture, the fuel to develop these storms later on. Right now, we've got the cloud cover still looking over Henry Doyle Zoo, 58 degrees. You see the dew points mid-50s, that northwest breeze, 10 to 20 miles per hour. So 12-hour forecast. The morning drive is going to be fine. Could see some showers around lunchtime. And there we go. After 3 o'clock, we'll see those chances go up for strong to severe storms. So that's right as schools dismiss the evening commute. So have to have reliable ways to get those alerts as the event unfolds. And then behind it, finally, we quiet down. Cooler, dry, low 60s Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe a few showers later in the